Okay, so I went 6 minutes with that one. Let's get right to it. So we figured out that there was 121 people who answered one, which we knew from the dictionary here, was bike. Now number two for drive, we can easily look that up. And we highlighted all the twos, and what we see here, let's move this up a little bit. Sorry about that. Make that a little bit shorter and pull this up. Yep, there we go. So the count tells us here there's 91, and this should work on whatever application you use. So we'll fill that into the frequency table as 91, and we can even go ahead and do 91 divided by the total, which is 297, and multiply it by 100, and we get 30%. So it tells us the other one's going to be something like 30% as well, the public transit answer. Get all the way down there, and all the threes, there's 85 of them. Okay, great. So 85 threes, transit, people who answered that they like to travel public transit. We divide this by the total number of cases, which is two, or people that were asked, and we multiply by 100, and we get to 100, which is what we want. And if we put these together, they should end up being 297, which they are. We're double checking ourselves. Okay, so the last part of this that you have to know to do the math is you are going to make a histogram. And we do is just highlight this, make sure it's set up like that. And now we're going to go to formulas, insert. And yeah, look at this, we can pick a chart. This one's probably the best one for this. Although you can go with some other ones if you want. 2D column. Okay. So this might happen to you, right? This is annoying because we don't want that 1, we don't want that 2, we don't want that 3. That's just going to mess everything up. Okay, but I show you because you'll probably mess this up and I don't want you to do that. So we're just going to highlight these 3 values here actually. And now we'll go to insert and we'll pick our bar chart. You can mess around with this if you want, but there we go. Right? 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. And we can see very quickly that we're visualizing our data and telling a story that people who answered number 1, which again, if we forget, is biking, are the most, and these two trail behind with not that many people. And we could do this for all of the variables, and that's what you'll be doing in the lab that I give you. Great.